What's up, you guys? It is Derica. For those who are new, welcome back. I'm making me some breakfast. I was in the mood for some real grits. Um, and let me see, some bacon. What else I got? Eggs. I'm gonna skip the bread today. I'm trying to work on my figure a little bit. So, yeah, let's go check on these grits. So I just put them in there. Y'all, I'm a beast at making these grits, y'all. Like, I can teach your mama, okay? So, and always keep them on low, child. Keep them on low and keep them on low. Because they will pop your ass, okay? I got my bacon over here on low. Let me see. I'll turn it up just a little bit because I don't want it to be popping everywhere. Y'all know this grits and bacon will kill you. For real, for real. So as y'all can see, I've started doing my hair and I'm not finished. That's why I'm looking a little ratchet. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Look at this, y'all. I swear to you, I want to cut my hair off. Like, ooh, I think it'll be so cute if I cut it while it's in the twist, but I'm probably not gonna do that. Okay, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be doing today other than my hair, but I know I have things I have to do. Oh shit. I know I have things I gotta do, so I'm just gonna take the camera along with me. So these are my grits. They're going to get thicker, but I actually prefer my grits like this. And I will still eat them once they get thicker. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this off. Let them thicken up. In my opinion, this is the key to not having your grits too thick or too lumpy or anything like that. So, yeah. And I'm just gonna get my bowl. This might not be. I need like a deeper spoon. Tyrone then brought this up in the house. Lord have mercy.
Oh, that's lemonade too.
Ooh, and a lemonade.
Put ice in it.
Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm about to tear into this. I can't even hold this.